Welcome to the municipality of Burawin Leyte. This municipality is known as the spring capital of Eastern Visayas because of its abundant water sources where communities flourish near rivers, lakes, and fertile lands. In Burawin Leyte, they have a natural park called Mahagnao Volcano Natural Park. It was declared a national park back in 1937 under Proclamation number 184. During that period, the American colonial government was actively identifying forest reserves and protected areas across the Philippines. Mahagnao was chosen because of its volcanic landscape, crater lakes, biodiversity, and geothermal activities featured that highlight our country's natural heritage. Mahagnao Forest ecosystem also reflects historical environmental decisions. This means Mahagnao isn't just a tourist spot, it's part of our country's early conservation history. There is a volcano, and the last eruption of this volcano is 1895. Local stories and folk beliefs also surround Mahagnao. Early communities often associated volcanic areas with spirit or diva, which influence rituals and local traditions. These oral traditions serve as another type of historical source, reminding us that history isn't just written in books but preserved in culture. And that the ends of our travel vlog and historical exploration of Mahagnao Volcano Natural Park. This trip shows how nature and history connect, and how places like this help us understand our country past. Thank you for joining me today. This is the overlooking view of Mahagnao Volcano Natural Park.